Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix a MECCHA CHAMELEON crash error, and the error is GPU crash dump triggered error, low level fatal error or an unreal process has crashed UE-Chameleon error on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. First fix, modify game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on MECCHA CHAMELEON game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on MECCHA CHAMELEON game and then click on properties. In the launch options, first type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the MECCHA CHAMELEON game properties. In the launch option, type -DX12 this time, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the MECCHA CHAMELEON game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2, check and make sure date, time and time zone and region is correct on your PC. So here you will see the date and time. Right click on it in the taskbar and then click on adjust date and time. Now make sure set time zone automatically is turned on. If it is turned off, then turn it on. Also make sure that set time automatically is turned on if it is turned off. Now scroll down. Here you will see language and region. Click on it and from here make sure correct country or region is selected in your case. Then go back and under additional settings you will see sync now option. Click on sync now, and when you get this tick mark option, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If you do not get tick mark option and if you're getting any error, then click on sync now multiple times, and once you get this tick mark option, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to delete MECCHA CHAMELEON saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress and saved settings, and if to start everything from the scratch. So if you want, then you can keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, app data folder, open the local folder, and inside the local folder you will see the CHAMELEON folder. Right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So here I will show you the steps. So open the C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open the app data. If you don't see app data folder over here, click on view, show and check mark hidden items. Then open the app data folder, then open the local folder, and inside the local folder you will see the CHAMELEON folder. Right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to reset internet connection. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt you have to type this code one by one. So copy this code, paste it over here, hit enter. I will provide this code in my video description, so you can easily copy and paste the code in the command prompt. Now you will see you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So close the command prompt, then just restart your PC, and after PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, program files x86, Steam apps common, open the MECCHA CHAMELEON game folder. Now first double click this Penguin Hotel exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on Penguin Hotel exe file and then click on run as administrator and then try to launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then open the CHAMELEON folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Now first double click this Penguin Hotel Win64 shipping exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that also doesn't work, then again go to the compatibility tab and this time check mark run this program in compatibility mode 4 from the drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from drop down select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open the Windows security. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps. and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the MECCHA CHAMELEON game folder. Select Penguin Hotel exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, and this time open the communal folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select Penguin Hotel Win64 shipping exe file, click on open to add it to the list. After adding both the exe file to the list, go back, then click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, and then click on browse, and then browse to the game installation folder. So again browse to the C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, MECCHA CHAMELEON folder. Select Penguin Hotel exe file, click on open, and then click on add to add it to the list. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, and this time open the Chameleon folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select Penguin Hotel Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open, and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark for the MECCHA CHAMELEON game, and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus program such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ECT, then you have to allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 7 is to update your graphic card driver. NVIDIA users can update their graphic card driver via NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So NVIDIA users open the NVIDIA app and AMD users open the AMD Adrenal software. And if you find any updates available for your graphic card driver, then update it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open the graphic settings. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, MECCHA CHAMELEON folder. Open the communal folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select Penguin Hotel Win64 shipping exe file and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, expand it, click on drop down next to GPU preference and then select high performance. And after selecting the high performance, go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 9 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on MECCHA CHAMELEON game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on MECCHA CHAMELEON game and then click on properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall MECCHA CHAMELEON game from your PC, restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve MECCHA CHAMELEON crash error, low level fatal error or fatal error, and Unreal process has crashed, UE-Chameleon, or GPU crash dump triggered error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.